Sa tatlong tribo, Buhawi, John, Ira, kayo ang magiging leaders ng mga tribes na ito.
Gagawin mo lahat sa pamilya mo.
Like 500 years ago, when I held you in my arms.
Ito na yung totoo.
I have one. Meron ba, Doki?
Kaya susunod.
Okay.
Ihanda ang inyong tribo sa susunod na pagsubok. Sa lamang ito'y sigurado kang mapapasubo. Mainit ang labanan, kaya maganda ng lubusan. Sa pabilisan ng pasahan, kayo ay mabibiyayaan.
We received a tree mail saying that we're gonna be passing something hot from mouth to mouth. And we really had no idea what was going on. We had no clue what that meant.
Survivors, lapit! Welcome sa kauna-unahan ninyong reward challenge. Ang challenge nito ay magsusubok sa inyong determinasyon bilang tribo at leadership ng bawat tribe leader. Pero bago natin masimulan ang challenge na ito, kailangan mahati muna kayo sa tatlong tribo sa pamamagitan ng schoolyard pick. Ibig sabihin, kayo mismo ang pipili kung sinong gusto nyong maging katribo. Tribe leaders, Buhawi, Ira, and John, stay here in front. The rest of the castaways, please line up on the side.
Schoolyard pick was okay. It depends on who gets first pick, how this is gonna go.
Buhawi, dahil ikaw ang unang tribe leader, ikaw ang unang pipili. Sinong gusto mo maging katribo?
Solen?
I was scared that I'd be one of the last chosen or something, but Bui went first and he chose me first, so I'm guessing maybe he felt like he could trust me.
I was very surprised at Bowie picking Solen. For me, as a physical threat, I thought, maybe they would have picked somebody else, like Elma. I thought Elma was going to be the first pick because she's an athlete.
Si Solen, dahil alam ko yung napapansin kong laro niya, yung tahimik lang pero gumagalaw.
Ira, ikaw ang pangalawang tribe leader. Sinong gusto mong piliin na lalaki?
Akihiro.
Akihiro.
I know that the girls were plotting against the guys. They wanted to get rid of all the guys, and he was, right when he got picked, he was starting to get on the team that wanted him out.
Kasi kailangan ko ng isang lalaki na pwedeng gumawa ng lahat. Eh, ang nakikita ko lang doon, si Akihiro sa kasi siya.
John, it's your turn.
Moy.
Moy.
Because most of your day is at camp, and Moy does everything around camp, no questions asked. So I picked Moy, and she doesn't seem that weak either.
Kung ako kasi una niya pinili, syempre lahat magtitingin na naman sila. O ayan, sabi ko sa inyo, so kailangan talaga maalis natin sila.
Solen, it's your turn. Doc Ferds.
When Bui chose me, I said we need another strong guy in the team because the other one had John na. So I said let's get Doc. Pero Bui was like, let's get Aaron na lang. But I didn't see Aaron as a competitive person at first.
Akihiro.
Aubrey?
Aubrey.
Si Aki kasi sobrang mabait na tao eh. Di ba? Baka pag may sinabi ka sa kanya, okay. Yun, siguro nung sinabi ni Aaron, si Aubrey piliin mo.
Moy, it's your turn. Aaron.
Kasi kakilala ko na si Moy even before pa. Sinabi kasi ni Moy, nahirapan siya between me and Irving. Sabi ko sana akong piliin ni Moy. Siguro dahil mas matagal yung pinagsamahan namin ni Moy, wala pa kami dito. Si Irving ata, dito niya na naging ka-close.
Now we go to Doc Ferds. Make your pick.
Elma.
Elma. Aubrey.
Irving.
Irving.
Sabi ko eh. Hindi na talaga yung ano kaya sa kaibigan. Ganyan yan.
Mang Trisha Irving, wala namang comparison. Nagulat ako nag-react si Trisha. Sabi ko, at sa totoo lang, hindi ko siya nakita. May tao dito sa John, doon pala siya. Tapos, sabi ko, ay sorry, hindi kita nakita. Pero kahit nakita kita, si Irving talaga pipiliin ko.
Parang gusto ko mapunta kay Buhawi. Mas magiging mas magiging madali yung buhay namin sa isla kasi siya makusa siya.
Aaron. Ikaw na ang pipili.
Michelle.
Michelle.
There weren't that many girls left. Out of the girls that were left, the only one that I would want on my team was Michelle. So I told Aaron, I was like, pick Michelle.
Lahat tayo, hindi tayo na nagsama sa isang grupo si Michelle at si John Hall. Hello, magjowa sila eh. Kahit sinong tanungin mo, kumbaga hindi tama na magkasama sila. Kasi alam na yung alliance, dalawa na kaagad sila, di ba?
Elma, pwede ka nang pumili. Miko.
Yung team na yun, sinasabi ko nga na parang dream team din. Kasi lahat ng nakasali dun sa tribo na yun, magaan yung loob ko.
Irving.
Karen.
Kahit saan ako ilagay, okay lang. Kasi marunong naman ako makisama sa tao. Kumbaga kung may gusto silang pagawa sa akin, gagawin ko. At may kusa naman ako.
Michelle. Ian.
When it was our last pick, we got to pick Ian. I told Michelle to pick Ian as well.
Miko, it's your turn. Yep, Micah. And Trisha, you belong to Ira's group. Buhawi, ang magiging pangalan ng tribo mo. Pagan, please take your tribe flag. Ira. Sarmayi, please take your tribe flag. John. Nagar. Magan, Sarmayi, and Nagar. Yan ang magiging pangalan ng tribes ninyo. Ngayon, pwede niyong kunin ang inyong tribe buffs. Castaways, please get your tribe buffs according to your tribe. Susunod sa Survivor First Philippines. Ang hahanapin ninyo, dila ng baboy. Survivors ready!